नमस्ते जी, मेरा सबको प्रणाम। अभी रिसेंट 2 वीडियो में मैंने ईआरपी पे बात किया एंड सैप पर बात किया, कस्टमाइजेशन पे बात किया, मैपिंग सिस्टम पे बात किया एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द बर्ड दीज आर। किस तरीके की चिड़ियाँ हैं ये क्या हैं। MS वर्ड है, एक्सेल है, सब तो है। तो ERP सिस्टम की क्या ज़रूरत पड़ गई, सैप सिस्टम की क्या ज़रूरत पड़ गई? नहीं, हमारा ऑपरेशनल लोड ज़्यादा है, एरिया इज वास्ट, टू कवर इट बेटर इट पुट इट ऑन द ट्रॉली ऑफ द सिस्टम। That's why ERP SAP comes in the picture, and that too also with the different language, with its impact. Now I am confining my ERP SAP system on the implementation of HR module. Basically, HR functions, very first thing that the HR head will be process owner and sub process owner will be the person concerned is involved totally, like attendance system, from biometric to procurement of day's work, and then payroll management system, the person who computes the salary. Then what are the addition systems, what are the deletion systems? Payroll manager is the process owner of all these things. What is the net salary? What is the form number 16? What is the form number 16A? Process owner is the payroll manager or executive. So from when the employee reaches to the biometric system and put his finger concern, which is the finger which is registered, all fingers you cannot use in the biometric. Please be careful. If you have registered your thumb, then this thumb you have to put on the biometric and it will accept or it will reject. 99.99% it accepts. If you have registered this finger and you are putting this finger or this finger or this finger, it will not accept. There will be default. So when employee reports for duty, then he put his attendance, logged his or her attendance in the biometric machine system. From there, it is internally connected to the payroll management system, that is called days calculation. What happens? Out of 24-25 days, persons comes 1 or 2 day bunks. He takes the leave. He goes on OD, outdoor duty, and morning it is not reported, then machine will not recognize. Person comes next day, then previous day will be treated as a leave, absent, because it was not reported to machine. So you have to, the process expert, payroll executive or manager, he will do it based upon the OD received, leave received or intimation received, and accordingly he will manually feed it that the days absent A to be converted into OD. That day he was on the outdoor duty, or it will be converted into leave. He has taken leave. which leave, casual leave, sick leave, privilege leave, which leave, that also will be manually filled into. And thus every day these kind of the activities are being done by the process owner, and at the end of the month then total days payable works out in a parallel column, and from there next column to be the per day wage or monthly wage, and then loan taken or loan being given, it will be added, loan will be, installment will be deducted, it will be deducted from the deduction column, and deduction column is other than the payable column. PF deduction, ESIC deduction, labor welfare deduction, PT deduction, loan installment deduction, any excess days paid in the previous month, that deduction. After that you will get the total deductible amount, total payable amount, total deductible amount, minus it, you will get the net payment which to be released. So this flow should be customized through the through the template, and then cycle will start responding accordingly. Recruitment. What is your recruitment process? First you will identify the manpower, then you will job description, then you will sourcing method. It is through referral, or it is through portal, or it is through employee references or vendor references. All these systems are there, and then within how many days you will track out the CVs, given CVs to the your head of HR, then he in turn given to concerned HOD, and after that when he has sorted out, consultation of the director if process is there, otherwise call the candidate, take the interview, and what is the approval process, follow it up, and what is the issue the offer letter, and through system offer letter will come, and system will work out the offer system when all the rest previous all the systems are respected. If you have jumped out of the system, it will not, and then management is very strict, and they will say that if this job offer is not out of the system, I will not accept it, because it mentions the accuracy. And when all the system process is respected, offer letter will come automatically after documentation after immediately the date of joining, you will get the printed letter of appointment. Take the signature of the person as acceptance, upload again on the ERP system, and then his attendance system per day basis will be started recording through the biometric, otherwise will not record. So these are the good impact of the system. Good impact. So I spoke to you about the attendance system customization, payment system customization, and then based upon that calculation of the form number 16, that what are the investment you have made, you will give it to HR executive, HR manager will give the weightage according to the income tax law, and then form number 16 will be worked out at the end of the March. Appointment system, job offer letter system, I explained to you how process are identified and how cycle is made. Once the cycle is completed, then only it will come automatically, and then it is accepted to management. Any other deviation is not at all acceptable. This is very crystal clear to the modern management system. भाई जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो डॉक्टर श्रीवास्तव जी, आप उसको जाइए वर्कआउट करिए, एलिमिनेट करिए, बट एनीथिंग शुड नॉट बी मैनुअल unless it has been authorized to do manually. Like in attendance system I said that filling the leave application, कैजुअल है कि सिक लीव है कि प्रिविलेज लीव है या किस कौन सा लीव है. सो इस तरीके से हम ईआरपी में कस्टमाइजेशन करते हैं, सैप में कस्टमाइजेशन करते हैं. ईआरपी में हम किस उसका लिमिटेशंस क्या होता है, और किस लेवल तक हम जा सकते हैं, और सैप में क्या लिमिटेशंस होता है, क्या क्या एक्स्ट्रा कवरेज है, वो सब चीज़ें हमें बेस्ड अपॉन दी systems profit it has been segregated. So I try to highlight the few area to be navigated, to be highlighted, to be customized, then only it works out in HR department and similarly in other departments also. Thank you very much listening me. Hope you will learn more when you are performing on your desk. Thank you very much.